One Taiwanese PCB maker just posted a 67% quarterly profit jump, and it's not TSMC. This is Zhen Ding technology, and it's quietly becoming the backbone of the AI hardware boom. Subscribe to Taiwan Tech Pulse. We bring you what Taiwan's own analysts are saying, before Wall Street catches on. Got a Taiwan tech story you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments. Here's the number that should get your attention. Q2 net profit hit 2.39 billion new Taiwan dollars, up 2.95 times year-over-year. Earnings per share came in at 2 new Taiwan dollars and 18 cents, and first half EPS is already 3 new Taiwan dollars and 55 cents. Revenue for the quarter was 48.4 billion new Taiwan dollars, with gross margin jumping to 23.1%. That's up 4.75 percentage points from a year ago, and the company says AI demand is just getting started. Zhen Ding makes printed circuit boards, the unsung heroes inside every server, phone, and data center. Think of it this way: if Nvidia designs the brain of the AI boom, Taiwan's PCB makers build the nervous system. And this company is aggressively positioning itself for that role. Chairman Shen Qingfang says the firm is executing its fifth five-year plan, targeting 57 plants in operation by 2030. They're already planning the sixth five-year plan, and they want to build the world's largest optical module production base. Optical modules are critical for high-speed data transmission in AI clusters, and demand is exploding. The company says customers are already reserving 2027 capacity, which tells you how tight supply is. Their server, optical module, and IC substrate business grew 113% year-over-year in the first half, now 21.6% of revenue. That's the fastest growing slice of their business, and it's about to get even bigger. For 2026, they're guiding for multifold growth in that segment, with quarterly strength building from Q2 onward. So what does this mean for US investors watching Nvidia or AMD? Simple: if their AI servers can't get enough high-end PCBs and optical modules, the whole supply chain slows down. Zhen Ding says GPU and ASIC customers are moving IHDI and HLC products to mass production. Those are advanced board technologies that enable faster, denser computing, exactly what AI needs. And here's the kicker: 1.6T optical modules and next-gen products require MSAP technology. And the global supply gap is huge. That's why Zhen Ding is pouring money into capacity. 2026 capex is expected to exceed 80 billion new Taiwan dollars, with similarly high investment through 2028. They're building 13 new plants right now, with 16 more in planning, phasing in between 2026 and 2030. That's a massive bet on AI infrastructure continuing to grow. But here's the nuance: the company admits the first half of 2026 was still seasonally weak. They expect a better balance between H1 and H2 revenue by 2027, as AI and high-performance computing share rises. That's a sign they're managing the transition, not just riding a one-time spike. For retail investors, this is a classic supply chain play. You don't have to buy Taiwanese stocks to benefit, just watch how these earnings ripple into Nvidia's or AMD's margins. If PCB suppliers are raising prices and expanding capacity, that's a bullish signal for AI hardware demand. But it also means costs are rising, so watch for margin pressure downstream. Analysts will be tracking whether Zhen Ding's 2027 goal, becoming the world's largest high-end optical module PCB supplier, actually materializes. That would make it a go-to vendor for every AI server maker on the planet. For now, the company's own guidance is confident, and the capex numbers back it up. If you're following the AI trade, this is the kind of company that tells you where the money is actually flowing. And it's flowing into Taiwan. So keep an eye on Zhen Ding's quarterly reports. They're a leading indicator for the entire AI hardware supply chain. That's the real story behind those profit numbers, and it's one Wall Street is slowly waking up to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.